Hi, this is Devin Haub with Remax, and we're in Orem today. This home features a mother-in-law apartment and an RV pad and a few updates like a new roof, as well as quartz countertops have been replaced throughout most of the home, and I'm going to give you a tour now. All right, so here in the entryway, we've got a nice front living room here. We've got vaulted ceilings, and then this kitchen, which has all new cabinetry and quartz countertops. This has been done in recent years. So we've got stainless appliances, fridge is going to be included, and the paint in here has all been freshened up. We'll go upstairs before we head to that mother-in-law apartment. Now up here we've got one bedroom right here, and then we've got a laundry room, which these washer dryers will be included. This is bedroom number 2. Got a nice wide closet, little computer spot. And then over here we've got bedroom number 3 and a walk-in closet in this bedroom. And over here at the end of the hallway, we've got a full bathroom, which features new cabinetry, nice quartz countertops. It does have the double sink and then a tub shower combo. And then, so there's 3 bedrooms that we've gone through. The 4th bedroom would be the master up here. So the master's got a lot of nice natural light, nice little bay window, and then it does have its own bathroom here. You've got a walk-in shower, a separate tub, also new cabinet, quartz countertops with a pretty large walk-in closet as well. Nice 12 by 24 tile that's been installed. And now we'll head down to the basement where there's 2 more bedrooms, mother-in-law apartment, plus a little office that we could call. All right, so over here you can close off from the upstairs, and then this would be the mother-in-law apartment. You've got your separate entrance right here that has a nice covered patio worth checking out. So really nice covered patio spot, beautiful backyard, and then it does have an RV pad. So you've got the renter parking if you'd like to do that, and I don't think it would take very much with the city to turn this into a legal accessory apartment if you wanted. A permit fee and maybe a couple of minor changes to the home, and you should be able to get a legal renter status if you would like that. Otherwise, this would be approved for family. And so you got a separate kitchen here, little pantry, and this would be the master bedroom for this basement apartment. It's got a closet, pretty large walk-in closet actually. And then over here we've got the master bathroom, which does have 12 by 24 tile, little quartz countertop and a new vanity. And this also serves as the hall bath. So you can come out this way over here to the hall bathroom. This would be bedroom number 2 down here in the basement. It does have a closet here. And then this is not probably big enough for a bedroom, so we're not calling it a bedroom. It has the laundry for the basement apartment. It does have a big closet here. So you do have a good sized closet, but probably more of like an office, craft room, laundry room. And the way that this is configured, you could put a door here, which the owners do have in the shed. So you could put a door here and keep it locked, which then the mother-in-law apartment has its own entrance, 1 bedroom and a bath. And then you could keep this open if you would like to have the main home flow to have the other bedroom down there. And so there are options to configure this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout of this home as well as some of the features and benefits. If you'd like to see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.